If you're thinking about using Pictory AI for your video creation workflow, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. After using Pictory for well over a year, I've experienced the highs, the lows, and everything in between. So today, I'm giving you the honest overview I wish I had when I first started. Before anything else, let's talk about how easy it is to get started. Creating an account is as simple as typing in your email or logging in with Google. What really stands out is their 14-day free trial. No credit card, no commitments, something you rarely see with AI tools these days. Once you're in, the dashboard immediately feels approachable. All the major features are laid out clearly, and even if you're brand new to video editing, the workflow is surprisingly intuitive. Now, pricing is where most people pause. So here's a quick breakdown of what you actually get. Pictory offers 3 plans: Starter, Professional, and Teams. The starter plan sits at $19 a month and gives you 200 video minutes, multilingual AI voices, access to a massive Storyblocks library, and all the basics you need to begin creating content. It's affordable and honestly, not a bad starting place if you're entering the video creation world. The professional plan, what I personally use, costs $39 a month. This is where things start getting interesting. You still get your 200 minutes, but you also unlock hyper-realistic 11 Labs voices and one of my favorite features, automatic voice synchronization. If you've ever spent hours aligning voiceovers manually, you'll appreciate how much time this saves. Then there's the Teams plan at $99 a month. Yes, it's a big jump, but it includes everything from the professional plan plus the ability to collaborate with multiple team members. For small content teams, agencies, or group projects, it's actually a pretty reasonable deal. After pricing, the real heart of Pictory is what you can do with it. The text-to-video tool is by far one of their strongest features. You paste in your script, and Pictory automatically generates scenes, highlights keywords, and selects background visuals from a library of over 10 million assets. Every element can be swapped, fine-tuned, or customized, making it incredibly flexible even if you aren't a seasoned editor. Their voiceover options are another big selling point. Thanks to the integration with 11 Labs, the voices sound natural, smooth, and far more human than generic AI narration. You can also switch aspect ratios to optimize for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform you're targeting. Of course, no tool is perfect, so let's talk about the downsides. The biggest limitation is that Pictory is entirely browser-based. If you lose internet or you're traveling, you can't work offline. There's also no mobile app, which means you're locked into using your computer. Another thing to consider is that, unlike advanced editors such as Premiere Pro, there is a creative ceiling. Pictory is fast and convenient, but it's not designed for deep professional level tweaking. Still, for what it's built to do, Pictory performs well. The interface is user-friendly, the stock library is huge, the pricing is fair, and the frequent updates show that the platform is growing with the industry. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator looking to speed up production, it's absolutely worth trying out the free trial and seeing if it fits your workflow. If you've used Pictory or you're planning to try it out, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.